What is up, guys? It is Cyber Scrapper here, back with a brand new video. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, drop a comment down below. How's everyone doing today? I have been working, and it's been like a few weeks since I made a video, and I just want to say that this video is probably going to be about an hour long because I want to make as much footage for you guys as much as I can. I got to upgrade and everything. And yeah, we're just going to go and scrap today. I got to go get a few tools. I need a screwdriver. I need some pliers and probably something to cut cords with. It's about 84 degrees today and stuff like that. But yeah, before we go scrapping, we have to do a few things before we go scrapping today. And I'm gonna make a watermark, my own custom watermark for my videos now. But I really want you guys to comment down below and think. Tell me what you think about this watermark, because I want to make videos where you guys are enjoying my videos. And I don't want that watermark to get in the way of you liking my videos. So if you do not like this watermark for this video, please leave, tap the thumbs down button. And if you do like it, hit the like button. Oh, it is too bright. Hold on, guys. It's too bright. It's too bright. Too bright. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, so yeah. We got the bike trailer over here. It's outside the gate. Everything's ready to go. I just gotta go. And yeah, so we're gonna go. I gotta go to the gas station and get an energy drink because I haven't had my coffee today. Because I ran out of coffee, and I forgot to go get some yesterday. So we're gonna instead of getting some coffee, I might have to go get some anyways, but I'm just gonna grab an energy drink, and probably a snack or something, and we're gonna go to Walmart and get some tools, and then after that we're gonna go scrapping. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Excuse the lighting in this video because I know it's really kind of cloudy out here today. It's not supposed to rain or nothing. It's not gonna rain, but it is kind of cloudy, so the video might be a little bit dark. I'm gonna try to make the lighting as great as possible so you guys can see everything. I shave my mustache, so don't be scared. You know, because usually I have a mustache, but it grew so thick that I had to cut it. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this vlog. As I said in the video, early in the video, this video is gonna be about an hour long. I'm gonna try to make it as long as I can for you guys, because I don't know if I'm gonna make a video tomorrow or not. It just depends. But today we're definitely gonna make a video. So I'm just gonna make it as long as I can for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. Is it good?
Yeah.
Well, that went good. Woo! Dollar, baby. I love these because they're $1. Oh, it's hot out here. But yeah, I'm gonna drink this because I haven't had my coffee today, and I was supposed to have my coffee today, but I didn't because I ran out and I have to go get some. I'm probably gonna get some at Walmart. Drink this for a little bit, and then we'll go to Walmart. Yeah, guys, I just want to say that I am really grateful for you guys subscribing, commenting, liking everything while I've been kind of just working and stuff, and really grateful for that. Subscribers while I've been not really posting videos. This is good. We got the Citrus X right here. But yeah, I really appreciate it. We're almost to 200 subscribers, and the channel is growing because of you guys, and I really appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. But yeah, guys, we're just chilling. We're about to go to Walmart, grab some tools, and we're gonna start scrapping. I need another tripod too, because my tripod, I lost the thing to it, so I couldn't find the top to put my phone on. So we're gonna go and get another tripod too. And we're good, guys. After that, we're going scrapping. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. I really don't know which one I want to get. Tripod mount. Which one? This one? Or this one? I'm not really sure which one I want to get. Which one? Which one? Huh. I think I might get this one. Let's go with that one. Alrighty, now we're looking for a screwdriver. Not really sure which one. I need like a really cheap screwdriver. Okay, we got some right here, pocket screwdriver set. Not really sure which one I want to get. I don't even know if this is the right one that we need, because most screws took the ones that we took, that I had, the one that I had on my last screwdriver. So I really want to just save some money. We got pliers here for $2 right here. Plier. I think I lost this one somewhere. I don't know where I left it. I think this is the right one right here.
Be on the right spot.
Right.
Yeah. Well, they on the next side over, no way.
6-inch screwdriver. Got 6 of one. And that's $3 for a screwdriver. I think this is the right one we need right here. So I'm gonna get this one. And which is really cheap. So, man, you know, the pliers right here. I need something to cut the cords with, so let me see if I can find something to cut some cords with. I might get some gloves. I'm not really sure. Some of these gloves right here, $1.97. So I'll get all this for cheap, you know. So these are leather. I don't want these leather. Alrighty, guys. So I got the stuff. I got a screwdriver and I got some little pop blades to cut wire. Oh, this wasp over here, man. Move out the fucking way. Okay. We're gonna go to these apartments right here first. First, to see if we can. This will be the first spot we look at to go see if there's any scrap over here. Um, so if it's like a vacuum or if it's something small, we'll throw it in the trailer. But if it's like a TV, we'll probably just scrap it right there. We'll see what we get over there. See if we can find anything. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. Alrighty, so we found something. Uh, Gonna have to try to get it out. Let me jump in and get it real quick. Oh, my hands are dirty, really dirty. I am so hot. I am so sweaty. I am so sensitive. We're going to this next dumpster over here. About to pull up to it right now. See if we can find something. And then we'll go to the other ones. I'll probably scrap this and keep scrapping. See if I can find some more scrap. All right. See if we can find some. Whew. All right, nothing here today. Put you guys down for a second. We'll take a quick break. Oh, shit. All right. There we go. Right on the bike seat, too. So, yeah, we're going to scrap this in a second. Let's see. I'm probably going to put it like that. My hands are dirty, though. I need to get some hand sanitizer. So when I go out scrapping, I don't get no germs on me. I can just wash my hands. you like these videos so far, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. And you got P too. Alrighty, guys. So we have the vacuum here. Let's take this out for a second. We have screwdriver. Let's hope I don't get sick. I think I might get sick. I hope I don't. I jumped in that dumpster with my bare hands. And I don't have nothing to wash my hands right now with. So, as long as I don't touch my face, I'm good. Trying not to get sick. Alrighty. Got our new tool here to replace my screwdriver that I lost. Oh, it comes with the what's it? I don't know what they call it. But it comes with another end. So that's useful. I like that. Make sure it's stuck in. We're good. Then we have some cutters here. Take that off. Alrighty, so we got, what is this? Ooh, I like that. And this is the cut cords with. And this was like $1.97, so it's probably about $2 and some little change. So it's gonna be useful. Yeah. It's got like a cutter blade with it. And then we got a smaller one. I figured I'd just, try to save some money and get something cheaper, at the same time I can cut stuff with it, cut cords. We'll try these out and see if they actually work for the cords that I'm cutting. Okay, so now that we have these, let's just put them in there for right now. And then we're gonna go ahead and scrap this real quick. Okay, so let's use this big one right here, and then we'll use the hammer. Wherever it's at. Okay. Now let's go ahead and cut this cord. Excuse me, guys. It's really hot out here today. Whew. And it works. It works. It works. So for about $2, you can get a blade cutter, which is kind of like a box cutter. Really cheap. Really cheap. Did you guys just see that? I don't know if you guys seen that, but yeah, that was random. That's basically worth my money. So if I need something cheap, something that can cut my cords, I can get that. So yeah, got the cord here. First scrap of the day. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and bust this open. I just want to change the angle real quick. All right, there we go. So you guys can see what I'm doing. And we're gonna take all this plastic and stuff to the dumpster. Don't worry, guys. Piece of plastic. Alright, so I'm gonna push this back, this right here. Alright, we're almost there. Shit. I gotta cut some cords real quick. And then we'll have the copper motor. Here it comes. There we go. That is our copper motor. Has this rubber thing on it. Some aluminum, steel, aluminum. There we have it. Whew, I am hot. I am so hot. I need to wash my hands sometime soon. Here we go. We're gonna take this and we're gonna throw it in the dumpster. And we're gonna go to some more dumpsters. I hope you guys are enjoying. Don't forget to hit that like button. Please do not forget to hit that like button. Whew. Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys. Whew. Let's get out of here. Let's go see Little Caesars. Guys, I know you guys know my day one subscribers know I go behind Little Caesars. They have a dumpster and I see if they have some pizza and stuff. I could use some more calories to burn. Only ate spaghetti and I had an energy drink today, so I could use some more. It's really hot out here. That's what I'm saying. I could use some more energy. So we're gonna go see if we can find something behind there, and then we're gonna go to an apartment complex and see Copper Island and see if I can find something today. Not really sure if we're gonna find anything, but we'll see, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. Today is a really awesome day. I'm really happy to be out here to scrap and make a video for you guys. So yeah, guys, just stay tuned. I don't think there's any pizza today, guys. I was counting on it too, because I was really hungry. I'm really hungry. I'm in the mood for some pizza. Ain't nothing in here either. Ain't nothing over there, so I guess there's nothing over here today. Just keep looking, stay tuned. Look what we got here, guys. Some Germex, just what I needed. Oh, hell yeah, man. That's why I like coming to this place, because I found a bunch of stuff in here I can use. Crackers, we got some fruit snacks. Let's see what else we got in here. I'm gonna put these over here, I guess. Let's see. We got some applesauce. Put these in here. It really doesn't matter where I put it, because it's all packaged stuff. It's not gonna get dirty. We got some Ultramax with baking soda, advanced odor control, body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. I could use this, man. Hell yeah. Okay, put that in there. Let's see. What is this? I think it's like sun lotion, I guess. I'll just put that in there. Uh, uh, got some diced tomatoes, tomato sauce. Oh yeah, baby. Let's see. What else we got? Some corn muffin mix. I'm gonna take these potatoes. Take some more tomato sauce. We got some water here, flavor water. I think I'm gonna just leave those because I don't think I need it. I got water, but sparkling water will take that, and that'll be it, guys. Alrighty, we're gonna use some of this Germ-X. Killed all the germs. I actually went into a store and washed my hands because I jumped into that dumpster and you know it was really dirty when I grabbed the dumpster with my hands. So I had to go wash my hands in a store. I'm gonna use this Germ-X to get all the germs off and stuff. And we're going to Copper Island and see if we can find some scrap. I hope we find something. I forgot to put this in the dumpster, but we're gonna put it in the dumpster. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Leave a like, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. All right, we got something already. Looked in here. What is this? Ski mask? I might need that. Let me take that with me. We found a DVD player in here. And a sewing kit. Oh man. Oh man, I hit the fucking jackpot, man. I just literally hit the fucking jackpot. I got a freaking sewing kit. Yeah, so I got needles, I got some thread, a bunch of thread I can use. Oh shit. Shit. Let's grab this ski mask and let's move on to the next dumpster. Alrighty, guys. We have this DVD player. Really glad I found this. This is really useful right here. Let's see. I need my screwdriver. And cutter. Ah! Cutting myself again, guys. Cutting myself again. Alright, that's off. I don't need a screwdriver. Alright. Guys, I am super beat up. I'm telling you. Okay, this one fits. So we're good. Oh, I'm bleeding. Oh my god, man. Oh my god. I'm always freaking bleeding, man. And cutting myself and bleeding and dang. Ain't that some shit? Oh, there's another end too. Damn. Alright, we're gonna take these screws out real quick. See what's in there. This shit is still wiggling. Come on. Yeah, guys, I think this is gonna be the end of this vlog after this, because I'm really beat up by the sun, man. I don't want to try to keep going if I'm really like hot and exhausted by the sun. I might as well just wait. Should be good. Should stay in. Seems like it's coming out a little bit. I won't stay in. Fuck. This motherfucker won't stay in, man. Yeah, we're gonna scrap this, and I think that'll be it for today for this vlog. I might go scrap it tomorrow. I'm not really sure. Probably not, because, you know, I don't know. This will probably be the only video for this week. And then I'll make a video next weekend for you guys. Try to make this video as long as I can, so that, you know, but yeah, I hope this video is good for you guys. And I hope you guys like the watermark too. As a reminder, if you do not like the watermark in this video, please hit the thumbs down button. And if you do like the watermark for this video, leave a like. Hit the like button. Just want to make sure that the watermark is okay. I just want to make it unique in a way. Damn, this screwdriver won't stay in. I don't know why. Might just take this out. Okay. I got one more screw. Yeah, I'll try to make this video as long as I could, because I want to hit an hour. Because usually scrappers, they don't really make a really long ass video like this. It's more like short. But I mean, for this DVD player, it's not really that much in here. It's really not that much. But what we got is the electric motor and the plug. We got another plug too. So that's one cord there. Yeah, I think we got a little bit of copper in here too. So, but yeah, guys, I think that's gonna be the end of this vlog today. I really want to. I don't think this video is that long. It's probably gonna be like 40 minutes. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and drop a comment down below. I am Cyber Scrapper, and I'll see you guys next week. I should be making a video next week, more than likely, if it doesn't rain. If it doesn't rain, on Saturday, we'll definitely make a video. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm out.